Hello, friends. I would like to talk to you all about my experience with Actualize Your Potential. I've been learning many topics over a number of years now around growth mindset, attitude, personal evolution, spiritual growth, overcoming my internal challenges, etc. Actualize Your Potential has been a unique and a differentiated experience for me for a number of key reasons. First, it takes a very holistic approach in helping you actualize your potential. This spans across multiple dimensions like health, mental, financial, etc. So it spans a broad spectrum of what you're trying to improve. Second, the concepts and strategies are very simple, very practical, and they're based in research and experiential understanding, which means you don't have to believe a thing that folks are telling you. You can discover that for yourself by implementing it and seeing the results. That is very encouraging. There are different aspects of integrating techniques like meditation, breathing techniques, etc., to increase your energy, which for me has been confined in the spiritual world. But now I can see the correlation of that and the convergence of those practices for not just helping me with spiritual growth, but it also helps me with other aspects of my life. It's been about 2 months since I've started this journey. We have theory sessions every Saturday, and then thrice a week we have practical sessions where we start implementing what we are learning. And that's a big time commitment from our coaches. It has helped me in developing practice and a habit out of what I'm learning, which is extremely important. And that time investment is very valuable. It has also helped me get better clarity on some of my root causes, the root patterns that I need to be fixing. And what I've learned is when I start addressing those issues, it impacts multiple aspects of my life, not just one. So there's an exponential benefit that you get out of it. Bottom line, I'm really happy that I've been through this experience. For any spiritual seeker out there, or for anybody who's passionate about self development, or both, I would highly encourage you guys to go through this experience. Thank you.